Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some samosas stuffed with spinach and paneer or Indian cottage cheese. It is very healthy as I made it in an air fryer. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Heat 1 liter of milk in a pan and keep stirring till it comes to a boil. Then add half teaspoon of lemon salt and stir again. Look to see if the milk has curdled. If it's not curdled, add further half teaspoon of lemon salt as needed till the milk gets fully curdled. Then turn off the flame. Spread a muslin cloth over a strainer and strain the curdled milk to separate the curdled milk from the whey. Gather the edges of the muslin cloth together and squeeze out as much whey as possible. Then refrigerate it over a strainer for a few hours to form the crumbled paneer as shown in the video. Wash and finely chop a bunch of spinach into small pieces as shown in the video and keep aside. Then finely chop 2 chillies, 2 in ginger and 1 onion in an electric chopper. Alternately, you can chop it manually or grate it or even crush it. Heat half a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the finely chopped onion, ginger and green chilies. Add half teaspoon of salt and saute till the onions turn translucent. Then add the finely chopped spinach and mix well. Cook covered with intermittent stirring till the spinach leaves become soft and wilted. Then open the lid and keep stirring till all the water gets evaporated. Then add the crumbled paneer and keep mixing and stirring till all the juices are evaporated. Add water little at a time to 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mix it with a finger to form a smooth paste. Take samosa leaves and fold it as shown in the video. Stuff it with the spinach and paneer mixture that you have prepared. Fold the edge over and seal it by applying a bit of the corn flour paste that you have made. Repeat the procedure till you have completed folding all the samosas. Then lightly grease the samosas with a bit of oil. I've used my fingers so that I can control how much of oil I can put. If you do not mind it a little more oily, you can use a brush for it. Then place it in the air fryer and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Turn over and cook for further 5 minutes. Once it's golden brown on both sides, transfer it to a serving plate and serve with any chutney or sauce of your choice.